This machine features an automatic signing system specifically engineered for the efficient cutting of 1-inch long split wood. It is capable of processing wood lengths of up to 50 centimeters or 33 centimeters, enhancing productivity in wood preparation tasks. The 40-ton firewood splitter is capable of dividing even the toughest logs quickly and effectively. This machine boasts significant power and efficiency, featuring a 12-pronged blade that can simultaneously split a log into 12 separate pieces. This equipment is engineered to divide firewood measuring up to 80 by 80 millimeters, as well as kindling wood ranging from 20 by 20 millimeters to 40 by 40 millimeters. Yellow cedar is a highly sought-after wood choice for siding applications. Its appeal lies in its inherent beauty, remarkable durability, and impressive lifespan. The production process, which takes place on specialized machinery, showcases exceptional craftsmanship that is captivating to observe. For yellow cedar to be suitable for exterior cladding, it is essential that the wood is both robust and free of defects. This equipment is engineered for the production of premium quality chips. It is capable of handling substantial volumes of various materials, regardless of their type or size. The cutting mechanism, featuring a drum with multiple blades, facilitates the creation of high-quality chips, supported by robust and dynamic driving rollers. The feeding process is consistently efficient, accommodating all material types seamlessly. In this process, substantial aged cedar logs are initially cut into manageable blocks. Subsequently, these cedar blocks are transformed into flat planks using a hydraulically powered blade known as a cubra. The resulting flat boards are then cut diagonally, yielding two pieces that feature split surfaces. This method produces a high-quality roofing material. Barking machine is a component of a system designed to automatically strip the bark from raw logs. It is capable of peeling a 3-meter log in just 30 seconds and can handle up to 600 logs within an 8-hour period. A single operator utilizing an excavator in conjunction with our MEC can produce 10 cubic meters of solid firewood per hour. The firewood can be immediately loaded into the truck bed. The splitter head, designed as a revolver, allows for the correct splitter head to be adjusted in just 5 seconds, featuring hydraulic rotation for lateral movement. This enables the transformation of bent logs into uniformly sized firewood. Plywood is a highly adaptable material utilized across various sectors within the plywood manufacturing industry. Initially, thin sheets are extracted from the log. Following this, the material undergoes processes including adhesive application and pressing. GTC machinery focuses on the production lines for plywood and associated woodworking equipment. This innovation is a mobile cup cutter known as the PC360 Hong Kong dollars. This device, which includes a holder, plays a crucial role in the construction of log homes. It is designed to perform cuts swiftly, precisely, and with a high level of safety. Poland model bowsaw serves as an effective tool for pruning trees and chopping firewood. Its design includes a lengthy, curved blade that facilitates navigation in confined areas. Nevertheless, it lacks the power of a conventional chainsaw, making it less appropriate for demanding cutting jobs. This grinder is designed for the efficient production of high-quality chips, making it ideal for processing substantial volumes of material. It is capable of grinding a variety of woody materials, including trunks, branches, green prunings, and even exceptionally hard wood.